going on? This is Sam from Summer Kid Fit, checking in with you guys. You guys are doing well, doing terrific, and we are back with another video. So it's gonna be a fun video for you guys today. I will say that. I expect all my videos to be fun. But anyways, so if you've been following this channel, I'll be following my journey in the last few weeks. We talked marathon training. Right now, we are not able to run. It's still 1 week out, actually, from this weekend. Somebody has given me a little bit of hope that I might be able to get this marathon done, and that's where we are heading right now. So I got in touch with a physical therapy just for your own information. Also, there are a lot of physical therapists that I work with. I work at Square University, and so like my strength, mobility, just make sure I'm not having any issues. And also I have a chiropractor, Dr. Fleming, and now I think I'm about to add another PT, because every PT most likely will have some sort of expertise, and this one is expertise is running. And obviously, because I was not able to run in the last few weeks because I'm dealing with an ITB issue. If you want to watch previous videos, you can go ahead and do that. But yeah, that's the injury that I've been dealing with, and he's reassured me that, hey, if you want to run in about a week, we can definitely make that happen for you if that's something you want to do. Again, the reason why I'm doing all this is because I want to make sure I explore every possible outlet or every possible thing I can do to make sure I actually show up and run, because I just miss running. And yes, it's hard for me to say that, and I didn't think I'm gonna get to the point where I'm gonna be like, you know what, I miss running. Yes, I miss running. I'm jealous of people that are running, and I want to run too. So that's where we're heading right now, and I'm going to take you guys along. Hopefully we can get some footage for you guys just to show what we are doing as far as what we're trying to do to get better, just in case if you're ever in my situation, you know exactly what to do, or at least have some sort of reference of what you can do to hopefully get you back to running and being the best version of yourself. So we got back from the PT session, and just touch base into the homie right there, that naked. I'm sure you guys get it's just touch base with Max's place, and if you watch previous videos, you already saw what happened. I'm about to do the same thing again, get nice and personal. Gloves on, bend over, slap some tan on his naked butt.
Round two, baby.
So we just finished tanning and ran through some poses real quick, and the homie is looking pretty good. Yeah, I mean, so it's gonna be, obviously I'm gonna be doing a show day vlog tomorrow, and the vlog is gonna be covering a lot of topics when it comes to, constant spread, fat loss in general, because again, I am doing my own fat loss right now. And what a better place to kind of just talk about fat loss than a bodybuilding show where people are very, very on the extreme side of things. So it's kind of cool to get the perspective there. Not everybody's trying to become a bodybuilder, but if bodybuilder can do X, Y, and Z to get them to 4% body fat, surely somebody like you that's trying to lose a couple of body pounds or fats on you would definitely can benefit from that. So that's gonna be coming up in a different vlog. But besides that, always ready, looking good, and yeah, now we're here back home. All right, what's going on? So it is the next day from the last clip that you guys just saw, and ironically, or maybe it's not so ironic, we are back at Max's place. So I was not able to close the video out yesterday, and again, it's a short vlog, quick and easy, just to give you guys an update on what I'm doing as far as some of the rehab processes that I'm going through. Just saw in the clips in the B-roll from the session 1, I was not able to record much because one, it's a bunch of people out there, and you don't want to violate people's privacy by just recording when I'm putting the camera out. So that's why I was able to just get like small clips. Neither here or there. So what we're working on really is like when you have an IT band. IT band is a very tough muscle that's just very super tight right now, and the goal is just to release that. So that's why we have cupping. That's why we did cupping yesterday. We did some dry needling with some stem involved, and also work ankle mobility just to make sure we are not compensating on anything. So again, the recovery process is going on, and I'll keep documenting this for you guys, and I cannot wait to get back to run. This video is an update for you guys, talking about what my next goal is for the next few weeks, which is just a fat loss phase. And again, I know a lot of you guys are super excited about fat loss, body composition, getting jacked. This series is going to be for you because I think a lot of you guys are not really following me for training. A lot of you guys have been tuning into this channel. You've been tuning in because you are interested in getting jacked, you are interested in improving your body composition, losing some fat, or you just like to see my beautiful face. Anyways, but yeah, that is gonna be the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, short and sweet. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for tuning in. If you make it this far, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you click the subscribe button, and make sure you click the notification too, so you can get notified anytime I drop a new video. So I'm Kid Fit, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.